Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 5th, 2025. Hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody had a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics in the lower 48. And we're going to start off here in the tropics. You can see it's pretty quiet in the north central tropical Atlantic. Got a little cluster of showers and storms down in the MDR region, but nothing organized. Got a little scattered activity in the Caribbean. Also scattered to new activity across South America. A little bit of scattered activity across Central America. Also some scattered activity across the Gulf, the northwestern portion of the Caribbean, across the Yucatan Peninsula. Got some little tropical waves here in the eastern Pacific that will continue to push west. Got a storm system here moving into the Pacific Northwest. You can see over toward Washington, Oregon, California, all the way over toward the Dakotas, including Montana, Wyoming, also Utah and Idaho regions, and Nevada. Got some activity there as well. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road, folks. And like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we're going to be taking a look at your local forecast in just a few minutes. Hopefully it should roll out like this, and here it is. Alright, we got mixed precipitation in portions of New Brunswick to Maine to New Hampshire to Vermont to New York State. Also a little bit up here in portions of southeast Canada, more up here in Wisconsin, around northern Michigan, northeast Minnesota. More mixed precipitation over here in North Dakota, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State as well, and California and northern Nevada. Got a little bit of shower activity across south areas of California. More shower activity up here in Idaho and also Washington, Oregon, and portions of northwestern Idaho. Got some thunderstorms and showers along coastal areas and slightly inland areas of California, Washington, Oregon State, and right along the coastal areas. More shower activity in portions of Montana, Wyoming, South Dakota, Nebraska. Also across areas of southern Louisiana, east coast of Florida, around the Miami area. More shower activity across South Canada, stretching in through North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, also in through Lake Harry, Lake Superior, Michigan region, over to Ottawa and Toronto, Canada regions. Also, got some thunderstorms and showers in areas of Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, a little bit in southern Wisconsin and southwestern Michigan as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright. Let's see if we can roll out your Friday forecast, and we'll show you what's going to take a look at it. And it should be rolling out as them pair of cold fronts continue to drop to the south and east. And we do have some severe weather to talk about. You can see a little bit across Kentucky, also into Tennessee, extreme northern Alabama, and extreme northeastern areas of Mississippi. You can see we got some there. We're waiting on the rest of the stuff to fill in. Here we go. We got thunderstorms and showers over here in Washington, Oregon State, northwest California, and right along the coastal areas in the Pacific Ocean. Then we got more mixed precipitation in Washington, Oregon, portion of northern California, Idaho, Montana, to Wyoming, to Colorado, through North and South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Lake Harry, Lake Superior, and then also mixed precipitation northern Michigan, portion of Pennsylvania, New York State to Vermont, to New Hampshire, to Maine, and portion of New Brunswick. Then we got thunderstorms and showers from eastern Maine to Connecticut to Pennsylvania to southeast Canada to Michigan, once again southeast Wisconsin, all the way through Illinois, Missouri to Louisiana, to the Florida Panhandle, to the Carolinas, over toward Virginia, then the Atlantic coastal waters for central and south Florida, Florida Keys, and extreme northwestern areas of the Bahamas. Alrighty. And then we got a little bit of shower activity up here in portion of Minnesota and Wisconsin border there as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. And it should be rolling out something like this here. Here we go. We got storm warnings in the purple up here along the Atlantic coastal waters of Maine down toward New York City. Then small craft advisory gale warning from there to the outer banks of North Carolina. We got high wind warnings and wind advisories for areas of Maine to New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State, Massachusetts, over toward Rhode Island. Also in the areas of Connecticut down to New York City. Also over toward New Jersey, Delaware area. Also in the Pennsylvania portions of West Virginia as well. And got some special weather statements there also. Got more wind advisories over here in areas of Montana. Also in Nevada, and got some blow and dust advisories there as well. Also some high wind warnings in the mountains of California and western Nevada. Also got some high wind watches for southeast areas of Wyoming and a couple counties to the north in Montana. Got a couple counties with winter storm warnings to the north in Washington State. Special weather statements in western Washington, Oregon State as well. Even got some dense fog and also some coastal flood statements there as well in a portion of Washington and California coastal areas as well. Small craft advisory gale warning from Maine to the Washington coast. We've got one storm warning there as well. Some high surf warnings and floods, coastal flood statements around the Hawaii and Chain Islands. Small craft advisories there as well. Also along the southern areas of Alaska, western areas, small craft advisories. Northern areas, some freeze and spray warnings. Now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your day number 3. We have there's that a slight risk of severe weather from Jackson to Nashville to Bowling Green, Kentucky and Tennessee areas. Marginal risk from areas just east of portion of Louisiana all the way up into southern Ohio, stretching over to eastern Tennessee and eastern Kentucky, portions of Georgia around the Atlanta area, Birmingham. You're included in that. The probability should look like this, 5 and 15% respectively. Alright, that's ahead of that approaching cold front that's coming in. Alright, we got some heavy precipitation off the coastal areas of the southeast from the Bahamas up to eastern Canada. Also up here southeast Canada, stretching into a portion of New York State. Also in Ohio, Michigan, Illinois, down toward northern Georgia. More activity in Idaho in the southwestern Canada. Also Washington, Oregon State, northern California, a little bit along coastal areas there as well. Something loading up here in the Gulf of Mexico. We need to watch that because this could be something tropical. Could bring some heavy precipitation north. The models are sniffing that out, so we'll continue to monitor that as well. And then lighter amounts elsewhere from maybe around a tenth to maybe a half inch of precipitation elsewhere across the board. Some areas will receive no rainfall at all. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.